This is a project of DPWH, but of course with the guidance of the local government. Ito yung paglilay down natin ng high density polyethylene pipes, no? Ito yung double barrel na tinatawag natin. Para yung sasaluhin niya, yung galing dito sa mga creeks, sa Cainta, Rizal, Kupang, lahat dito dadaan yan. Ito yung outfall na natin papunta sa Marikina River. And then, ito kanina pinag-usapan namin ni President and ni Secretary na tatapusin itong buong stretch kasi medyo mahaba pa. This will end doon sa may Sapang Baho Creek, kulang pa ng 300 meters. So according to SEC, meron na daw pong naka-allot na pondo once matapos doon sa itong kinatatayuan natin hanggang Sapang Baho. So hopefully, kapag natapos natin yung doon sa ilog, yung ating widening, deepening, and then yung slope protection, along with the interconnectivity of all our drainage systems, talagang mababawasan, sana mawala na yung pagbaha sa Marikina. We're really adopting the whole of government approach, meaning kailangan magtulong-tulong po. It's not just the national government na may responsibilidad, it's also the local government.